Now today, I think they're going to try and finish this off today. Not everything, but they're going to try and get a majority of this done, because quite clearly we've still got supports over there still, and I think at some point as well this is going to be put into pieces as well. There is track, not for this part, but it's behind this building. And talk about the building, that's now covered up in that side, so it's basically side to sides now. And then really it's just seeing how it goes for the next few days, but I won't be here for a while after this update because I've just got busy times ahead. Christmas vibes are starting, and yeah, but I wonder how long we have to wait for the lift till now. I don't think it will start probably now to January, I reckon. So yes, I'm tired today. I've been up since 1:30, and as I was up throughout the night, I was doing Christmas cards. And about 5 o'clock left, got the first bus of the day and got the first train, and here I am now, 8 o'clock. Oh, the crane's just arrived. That is what I've been wanting to say. The crane is happening today. They've just confirmed to me it's happening today, and the right time as well. How have I got this energy? I've been up for about just coming up to 7 hours now, and it's now on my phone 8:10 this morning. Right then, the crane's up and the delivery's arrived with its truck as well, and it's moving. So I've got a pile of them down here, so I reckon at some point this week we'll be seeing these in the air with the others, I reckon. Look at this, so there you go, truck's moving out the way now, probably get another load. Right then, onto the floor it is. And that is our first one of the day. There we go. So that's the first one today, and it's now 9:35, basically 25 minutes to 10. Yeah, look at that, that's going in. The rest is all going in now. And of course now what we're going to do at both ends is just to put nuts and bolts in its perfection as well, which there are people behind there. Unfortunately there's a brake track out the way, so there's people behind it, so they have to make sure both ends are secure with nuts and bolts now. another piece of metal structure for the building of maintenance, I reckon, to be sorted. All measuring in place, as you can see, to make sure it's accurately amazing. That was a lot of effort to it, isn't it? So I've just been to Wetherspoons, breakfast wrap to get me going, and obviously they've done bits this morning, but as I left they probably thought, as he's gone now, let's do some more truck in the air. Let's put a lot more in. My God, it's all happening. It's Monday feeling today, I'll tell you now. Yeah, they're starting on the other side now. Look at that. Yeah, they're starting work on the other side. So this could be very interesting when that tower block is completed. My word. Oh my goodness me, they're actually moving that. So I wonder if they're just moving it or they're actually lifting it in the air today. So that's for the higher section. This is looking very interesting now. I literally cannot explain how much they've done. I reckon this will be up by Friday. Fingers crossed. And I'm really hoping this will be sorted as well soon, because obviously things will look very different in the next few months' time. Well, especially January. New year, new chapter. New year is called for me the golden moment. 2024 is called the golden moment for me, because this is the golden moment to be riding Hyperia, and spectacular years on the way. Just saying how nice it looks today. Oh, look at that sound, knowing it's going in. That's a good sign, because it's going in. When the pins go in, it's just securing it strongly. more track, more supports in place today, and that will do for now. Quite an exhausted day. Got another early start tomorrow, another busy day, and that is another update. Like I said, what a fantastic day it's been. Much as I didn't sleep well, but you know what, I'm keeping myself going. But till next time, subscribe to see more, and it does have up the channel if you want to see more. And thank you so much once again, and I'll see you all next time for the next one. Take care now.